When you say the word New Zealand, the first thing that comes to mind is probably not the kiwi bird, but the juicy, fuzzy kiwi fruit. Even though this furry little guy is also called a kiwi, hardly anyone knows what it looks like or that it's actually an endangered species. So today, let's learn 20 facts about the strange and endearing kiwi bird so we can better understand this quirky creature. Number 20, look at how cute they are. We had to include this picture because just look at how cute these little guys are. If this doesn't make you want to learn more about them, then nothing will. Kiwi birds are one of the most lovable animals ever. Number 19, a true kiwi. True to their name, kiwi birds look like a walking kiwi fruit. It's no wonder that when Europeans first saw this animal, they thought it was a large, flightless parrot, while others thought it was a penguin. Number 18, no flying needed. Despite being unable to fly, kiwis don't seem to mind and wander around all day long. Maybe it's because they evolved from ancestors who arrived in New Zealand on a raft of driftwood debris and had no predators to worry about. Over time, they lost their ability to fly. Number 17, biggest eggs. Kiwi birds lay the largest eggs relative to their body size of any bird in the world. To put this into perspective, it would be like humans giving birth to babies that weigh roughly 4 feet 3 inches tall. Number 16, native to New Zealand. As we've already mentioned, kiwi birds are native to New Zealand, which is why New Zealanders are called Kiwis. In fact, the kiwi is considered the national bird of New Zealand and appears on its emblem. Number 15, severely threatened. Sadly, these adorable birds are severely threatened. They used to be widespread across the North and South Islands, but now they only exist in small areas of both islands. They face habitat loss due to farming and forestry, excessive hunting by humans, and threats from predatory animals such as cats, dogs, rats, and stoats, which we'll talk about later. Number 14, conservation efforts. Since 1991, the New Zealand government has spent over $140 million on efforts to restore kiwi populations. They've achieved success by providing kiwi with a safer habitat. Number 13, night owls. Kiwi birds are nocturnal. They love to forage around at night when there are fewer predators around. This also makes them less active during the hottest parts of the day and helps them cope with cold weather. Number 12, strange beaks. Kiwis are the only birds in the world with nostrils located at the tip of their beak. These long, thin beaks are perfect for probing around tree roots and sniffing out earthworms and other food. Number 11, soft feathers. Unlike most other birds, kiwi feathers are soft and downy instead of hard and stiff. Their hair-like feathers help them camouflage in the forests of New Zealand. This makes them harder to spot by predators and also adds to their cuteness factor. Number 10, rare white kiwis. Very rarely, kiwi birds are born completely white due to a recessive gene. This is not the same as albinism, but these white birds certainly look different from the rest. Number 9, natural predators. One of the kiwi's biggest natural predators is the stoat, a small vicious member of the weasel family that loves the taste of kiwi. That's right, this tiny animal hunts these flightless birds for food. Talk about being tenacious. Number 8, honorary mammals. Due to their many differences from other birds, kiwi birds are sometimes called honorary mammals. This is mostly because they give birth to live young, have fur, cannot fly, and lay large eggs. Number 7, Maori legends. The Maori people of New Zealand used to hunt kiwis for their meat and soft feathers, but only on very special occasions, as they believed kiwi birds were protected by Tena Mahuta, the god of the forest. The beautiful and soft kiwi feather cloaks were reserved for important ceremonies and rituals. Number 6, loyal lovers. Kiwi birds are very loyal. They usually have only one mate for 20 years or more. That's true love right there. During mating season, males attract females with a series of calls, and if successful, they will mate for life. Number 5, Japanese kiwis. In Japan, kiwi birds are affectionately called kiwi-chan. They're known for their cuteness and endearment, much like Japanese culture often portrays animals. Number 4, excellent memory. Kiwi birds have excellent memories. They can recall events from at least 5 years earlier. This is useful for remembering where food sources are located, but also for recognizing potential mates. Number 3, nutritious eggs. Kiwi eggs are made up of 65% yolk, which provides the developing embryo with the nutrients they need to grow feathers and survive independently. This is a good thing because Kiwi chicks are completely helpless when they hatch and rely on their yolk sac for nourishment. Number 2, national symbol. The Kiwi image is used widely in New Zealand culture, from coins to candy to the emblem of their air force. Yep, you heard us right. A flightless bird represents their air force. But it makes sense considering that New Zealand has no official national animal. The Kiwi is sort of like a mascot representing New Zealand as a whole. Number 1, SNCF Carte Kiwi. In the 1980s, the French railway company SNCF had a Kiwi-themed discount card called the Carte Kiwi. The company ran a somewhat eerie advertising campaign featuring a Kiwi dressed in a trench coat and hat, asking, "Are you lonely?" Maybe we should have started this list with this fact, because it's the perfect way to describe the strangeness of Kiwi birds. Kiwis are indeed unique, adorable, and certainly unforgettable. We hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching.